My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
Oh my god, it is so freaking hot in my apartment right now. It's not even funny. My AC is still out. I have like a portable like window unit, but that is really only heating up the living room, which it's in, and I turned the loft into my bedroom because I need a big bedroom, and the loft was 13 by 16, but it's like 20 degrees hotter up there. Oh my god, I'm dying. I slept on the couch one night because it was so freaking hot up there, and I couldn't get out of bed for 4 days because I like sprained a muscle in my back just from sleeping on the couch. But anyways, I got my fan with me. So we're gonna push through it. Alright, I'm gonna be doing kind of like brownish smoky eye, kind of like a silver metallic. I'm gonna start with D1 from the Anastasia Pro Pigment Palette Volume 4. I have been so obsessed with this palette, not even funny, like legit using it almost every single day. Oh wait, no, I need to prime my lids first. I'm gonna take this CoverGirl concealer and just prime my eyes with that. My birthday is coming up. I can't believe how old I'm gonna be. It's gotten to the point where I can't even say it anymore. I used to be like completely fine with saying my age, but no, not anymore. Alright, now I'm gonna go in with D1. And we're going to be using that as our transition shade, and just go from outer corner to inner corner. And I'm using this Farrah blending brush. It is really big, but the bristles are lightly packed, so it's not going to put a large amount of product down. It's just going to put down a very like nice light layer, a nice wash of color on your lid. So I'm going to Orlando with my friends for my birthday. One of my friends and I have the exact same birthday, so we're celebrating it there. We're gonna go to a drag show one night. I'm super excited for it. Oh my gosh, I got, like, if you guys watched my most recent Fashion Nova haul, you know I got those 2 dresses. I know I'm gonna wear that pink one for sure. I'm not sure about the black sheer one, because that, I don't know, that one's like really kind of formal, but I ordered this freaking sexy ass jumpsuit. Ooh! Wait till you see it. I don't even know, like, alright, now we're gonna go in with B3, this light brown right here, right chair, with a Morphe 518. And this is more tapered, so it's gonna put it tight in our crease here. Oh my gosh, I have the best new trick. I was thinking about just doing a whole video on it, but the video would be like 2 minutes long. So I'll just show you guys in this video. When I was like debating on whether or not to buy the jumpsuit, here I'll show you guys a picture of it. I was asking one of my friends I work with, and because I was telling her, I'm like, you know what, I'm not getting any younger, like this could be, you know, like one of the last years I could, you know, like pull these outfits off, so I might as well wear them while I can. And I showed it to her because I was like, I don't know, I didn't think I was gonna buy it. I didn't think I had the guts. And she was like, no, get it. She was like you said, you know, you might as well wear it while you can. So we'll see how it looks on. Now I'm just going to take that original blending brush and blend those edges. Now I'm going to go in with D5, which is a dark kind of like mahogany brown, and pat that on the outer third of my eye, and then I kind of swipe in from the outer corner. Such a gorgeous color. And then when most of the color is laid down, I'll slowly bring it into the crease with like the thin side of the brush first, and then I turn it to the side to the wider portion and blend it. So the drag show that we're going to, they have them in Tampa and in Orlando, but so since we're going to be in Orlando, we're just going to go to that one, but it's like a dinner and a show, and like, I love drag queens. It's awesome because they're like guys who appreciate makeup and like they know how to do it. They know the struggle and how much work it takes, and I just love them. Like, they're such big personalities and they're so fun, and they're just like, so accepting of everyone, and I love it. It's called Illusions. I'm going to take some of our transition color D1 and just go over the edges with that. Alright, so this is my new trick that I think I discovered because I haven't seen anyone else do it, but I probably didn't. I'm going to take this MILANI Strobe Lights liquid highlighter, and we're going to kind of use this as a glitter primer or base. And because it's a highlighter, it's really going to make the like metallicness and shimmer of the shadow we put on top of it really pop and give it just like another dimension. We're going to take it up a level. You know, people always use like concealers to do like a cut crease, but I don't really like doing that because it seems whenever I put a shadow on top of it, it kind of dulls the color of the shadow instead of really making it pop. Alright, so now we're going to go in with A1. This is such a gorgeous color. It's like a silver, but it almost has like kind of a greenish tint to it. And we're going to put that all over our lids. I'm just going to go in with my finger because these shadows really do go on well with the finger. Okay. Oh, it's so pretty. Alright, now I'm going to take a pencil brush and we're going to go in with B5, which is like this dark neutral brown. And put that in the outer corner and kind of blend it in with that lid shade. Now I'm going to take my little dish and I'm going to spray some blush onto it. And we're going to go back in with A1 after I wet my brush. And we're going to make this pop even more. Alright, for the lower lash line, I'm going to use my ColourPop BFF Cream Gel Liner. And this is in Kicker. It's a really gorgeous silver. Put that in our lower waterline. Like, look at that. Oh, it's so gorgeous. And now I'm going to go in with D5. And blend that out. Okay, so how do I want to highlight the brow bone? I'm going to take this ColourPop This Is For You highlighter palette and go in with this one, which is Glad You Came. So the only thing about this palette, there isn't really anything to highlight the brow bone with, but that doesn't really bother me because I have plenty of other options I can use in my collection. I'm going to put a band of liquid liner on. I'm going to use my Benefit Roller Lash. This liner is like so easy to use. I really like the tip. Gonna curl my lashes and put some mascara on. I'm gonna go in with my Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir mascara. Okay, I'm gonna go finish the rest of my makeup, then I will come back and we'll do a lip and highlight the inner corner, and then we'll be done. Okay, so for the lip, I used this Artist Couture lipstick in Angel Baby, which is a really pretty nude. And to highlight the inner corner, I used my BECCA Pearl highlighter. Let's just add a little more, shall we? Ooh, that was a little bit too much there. And set it with some setting spray. My MILANI Make It Dewy. I love this stuff. Best drugstore illuminating setting spray. And this is the completed look. This is a really good eye look because it is like so versatile. You can wear it like to basically anything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and hanging out with me. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.